Sparkles. So today I'm so excited because I'm going to show you all how I made this quick and easy chocolate brownie recipe. And I love brownies, so I definitely just want show you all how I make this quick and easy recipe. It's so good, and I definitely recommend you all trying this out. And if you do, leave in the comments below and let me know if you tried it out, and give this video a thumbs up. Alright, so let's get into the video. If you all want to see how I make this quick and easy chocolate brownie, then just keep on watching. And here are all the ingredients I'm using to make this quick and easy chocolate brownie. And now I am oiling my pan. You can use whatever amount of oil you like. And now I'm flouring the pan so the brownies won't stick to the pan. I'm using a half a stick of butter, add 1 cup of sugar, and now I'm mixing the ingredients together. And now I am adding 4 eggs. And I'm just mixing my ingredients. So just make sure you mix your ingredients really well. I added 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and now I'm adding 1½ cup of Hershey's chocolate syrup. And now I'm pouring the brownie mix into the pan and spreading it out evenly. I'm placing the brownies into the oven at 350 degrees for 35 minutes, and you can also put a toothpick in the middle to see if it comes out clean. If it does, then the brownies are done. And now I'm taking the Hershey's milk chocolate bar, and while my brownies are in the oven, I already broke the Hershey's bar apart, and now I'm placing it on the brownies and just spacing them out apart. And this will be our icing on the brownies, and it's so good. And now that we're finished placing the chocolate bars on the brownie, it's time to place them back into the oven, and make sure your oven is cut off, and leave those brownies in there for a minute or two. And after we take the brownies out of the oven, we're going to take a spatula and we're just spreading the chocolate bars all over the brownies, and make sure you're evenly coating the brownies. And this is what it looks like after it's done. And these brownies are so delicious. If you love brownies, you definitely have to try this out. Alright, so now I'm going to taste some of these brownies. This is so good and so nice and moist and so delicious. And definitely the taste of chocolate, Hershey's, so delicious. Definitely recommend this recipe. Okay, so that is the end of the video, and those brownies are so delicious. They're so good, and I definitely recommend trying this recipe out. So alright, so if you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and turn on your post notifications bell so you all be notified whenever I upload another video. And I will see y'all in my next video. Alright, bye. Love y'all.